This is gonna be another take of the Pine parking garage elevator at the Mall of Columbia in Columbia, Maryland. It's a Schindler MT. This has since been innovated, from what I've seen. It's got innovated.
Aiden, you got a few seconds. If it don't come down, it ain't going.
It's here. It's ready for me to rock.
If there's people on the elevator, let them get off first.
Let's take you out of level.
Come right back down, right?
Okay, 3.
I'll see you in just a minute.
Save controller.
Level 1, going up.
Here we go. It's a nice motor. That indicator's messed up. I really like the voice on this one. See what Colvin out here looks like. What breeze he got here. 1.
Going up.
There we go.
Going down.
Nice voice. Like I said, just your basic mall parking garage elevator, Innovation Bruiser with your 88 phone, original indicator, original lanterns, Innovation lanterns. Oh, you can see through the shaft. That's it.